आज करकरडूमा में एएसजे कोर्ट ने अंकित शर्मा जो कि आईबी के एम्प्लॉय थे उनके मर्डर केस में 5 लोगों को सजा सुनाई है, जिसमें ताहिर हुसैन, जावेद, अनास, नाजिम और कासिम शामिल हैं। इनको 188, 153, 147, 48, 49 आईपीसी और 365 और 302 में सजा सुनाई गई है। और इसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो केस की थी वो क्राइम ब्रांच ने करी थी और ये बड़ा हाईलाइटेड केस था और नॉर्थ ईस्ट राइट्स के केसेस में से वन ऑफ द मोस्ट हाईलाइटेड केस था, जो कि काफी वाइडली रिपोर्ट भी हुआ था। इसमें काफी थॉरो इन्वेस्टिगेशन करी गई क्राइम ब्रांच द्वारा, जिसके कारण ये आज सेंटेंसिंग हो पाई है और अभी डिटेल्ड कोर्ट ऑर्डर आने की हमें आने पे हम और जो ज्यादा फैक्ट हैं वो शेयर करेंगे। थैंक यू।
Basically, in this case, there are 11 accused. Comfortable in English? 11 accused. Out of them, 6 was acquitted, 5 are convicted. So, as far as concerned of my client is Muhammad Anas. He was also convicted. Or as far as concerned of in which section he was convicted 302, 365, as well as 147, 148. Read with section 149. Even still, I could not be received the copy of judgment. As soon as I will receive the copy of judgment, then I will tell what consideration has taken by the court and which witness has been relied by the court or which witness has been not relied by the court.
So, any observation made by the court while pronouncing the order?
Right now, just judgment was pronounced and no observation was made by the court. There was no observation. Just only these persons were held guilty and these persons were acquitted. Not apart from that, nothing was observed. Even apart from this section 120B is discharged from all the accused persons in this case.
So, sir, is there any offence of kidnapping against the convicted person convicted?
Yes, section 365 of the offence of kidnapping, and it was also.
So all have been convicted for kidnapping also?
And all was not convicted, but some of the accused is convicted.
So what about your client?
My client concerned as well, Muhammad Anas, is convicted 302, 147, 148. Read with section 149 IPC.
Not kidnapping?
Not kidnapping. As far as whatever I heard the court.